Welcome to our step-by-step guide on purchasing gift cards and other digital products on CoinsBee using cryptocurrency. Begin by visiting CoinsBee's website. Explore their extensive range of digital products, including a variety of gift cards. Browse and select the items you wish to purchase, adding them to your basket. Proceed to checkout when you're ready. You'll be prompted to enter your email address, where CoinsBee will send you digital products. Next, choose your payment method. CoinsBee offers a selection from hundreds of cryptocurrencies along with Binance Pay and fiat options. After selecting your cryptocurrency, complete the payment process. Ensure you follow any specific instructions for your chosen cryptocurrency. Once your payment is finalized, you will receive an order confirmation from CoinsBee. Soon after, the digital product like your chosen gift card will be emailed to you. And there you have it. You've now successfully purchased gift cards and digital products on CoinsBee using cryptocurrency. Explore CoinsBee for more exciting digital shopping opportunities. Thanks for watching.